Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. It's here to break down the all-new RST Pro Series GP D30 Kangaroo race gloves. Okay, the all-new Pro Series GP D30 race gloves retail for $199.99 as of the time we're shooting this. Please understand we never update for pricing changes, only the product itself has been redesigned. We have been selling the RST Track Tech Evo gloves here at STG. That's another Kangaroo gauntlet race glove for years. It has been our number one in volume. Probably could say the most favorite race glove that we have to offer. Glove for years. That thing is sold from somewhere between $124 and I think right now it's at $144 for a full Kangaroo glove. Super popular. It's got a tremendous reputation. With this glove, the idea was to build from that one a bit, come out with a product that's a little bit higher spec, right? I think they accomplished the goal. When I wear this, for me personally, it feels so much like the Track Tech Evo 4. I think there's still so many similarities. I think they've done a great job. I think this one is super close to that, and to be fair, the price points are not miles apart. One thing this definitely has is it's going to have a higher level of styling. There's some beautiful colors available. The blocking on this with the colors is absolutely amazing. Full Kangaroo chassis. You can see all the yellow. That's all aramid reinforcement, the whole back, the inside of the glove. That's all reinforced, just like the Track Tech Evo 4. Excellent. These don't feel like they're going to take very long to break in. Sizing, super consistent. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I got a 2X on right now. These things fit and feel amazing. Got some perforation between the fingers. D30 reinforcement, multiple layers of leather. In the impact zone, the palm slider, I've said this a million times now, what's that there for? Most of us, when we crash, this is how we're gonna try and save ourselves, right? That hard plastic wears much better than leather, promotes a slide, helps to reduce wrist injuries, helps keep the glove together, just overall protect you as the rider. Safety strap, double gauntlet adjuster. Dexterity at the wrist feels quite good. They used a little stretch fabric back here in lieu of leather that lightens it up a little bit, totally out of the impact zone, right? Improves the dexterity. Protection here for the end of the ulna. There's padding there. Finger bridge for the pinky. Multiple layers, protectors for all the digits. Motion panels for the fingers we're going to use on the controls. Tunnel system right here, so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of pulling on the whole glove, it just expands right there. Motion panels here, protector for the thumb, memory foam insert. I like this flap too because the flap, without being restrictive here, it's going to offer a little protection in that area. This thing is super well executed. The price difference between this and the Track Tech Evo 4 is very slight. Both of these gloves, compared to a lot of the others on the market, if you look at the price, there's so much value in these, it's crazy, and that's really why that Track Tech Evo 4 for us, I'm talking just our shop, hundreds of those every year, and people keep coming back for more because they're absolutely amazing. I think it's right there with that. It's just it feels a tiny little bit better, right? Outstanding, super pumped for it. Take a look at them on the website. The colors are epic. They're available now. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.